Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best drone for photography in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best drone for photography in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Ruko U11MINI 4K RC3 is a powerful, compact drone designed for adults who want professional-grade aerial photography with effortless control. Featuring an advanced camera capable of capturing stunning 8K photos and smooth 4K video, this drone delivers exceptional clarity and detail for landscapes, travel, and creative projects. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable, shake-free footage even in windy conditions, giving your videos a cinematic finish. Equipped with a 5.5-inch built-in screen controller, the U11MINI offers real-time FPV viewing without the need for a smartphone, making flights more convenient and immersive. With an impressive 20,000 feet FPV transmission range, you can explore vast areas while maintaining a strong, reliable signal. Intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Return to Home enhance both safety and creativity. Despite its professional capabilities, the U11MINI remains lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Whether you are a hobbyist or an experienced pilot, this drone delivers high performance, long-range control, and professional results in a user-friendly design. Number 2. The DJI Neo Mini drone is a powerful yet ultralight flying camera designed for adults who want stunning aerial shots without complexity. Weighing only 135 g, this compact drone is easy to carry and doesn't require registration in many regions, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and everyday creativity. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, DJI Neo captures sharp, vibrant videos and photos with impressive clarity. Its advanced stabilization system ensures smooth, shake-free footage even while moving. One of the standout features of DJI Neo is its self-flying and subject tracking capability. The drone intelligently follows you, keeping you perfectly framed whether you're walking, cycling, or exploring. Palm takeoff makes launching effortless. Simply place it on your hand and let it fly. With built-in QuickShots, you can create cinematic shots like Droney Circle and Rocket with a single tap. Designed for beginners and experienced users alike, DJI Neo combines smart technology, portability, and creative freedom, making it an ideal mini drone for capturing life from a whole new perspective. Number 3. Meet the V11 Pro drone, a powerful aerial companion designed for adults who demand professional results. Equipped with an advanced 8K camera and a precision 3-axis gimbal, the V11 Pro delivers ultra-smooth footage and stunning clarity in every shot. Captures cinematic 4K video at 30 FPS and breathtaking photos with an incredible 48 million pixels, preserving fine details, rich colors, and sharp contrast from the sky. With an extended 80-minute total flight time using 2 intelligent batteries, you can explore longer, shoot more, and worry less about recharging. The drone's impressive 6 km video transmission ensures stable, low-latency LAV feed, giving you confidence and control even at long distances. Intelligent flight modes make aerial photography easy and fun, whether you're tracking subjects, capturing panoramic landscapes, or performing creative maneuvers. Built for stability, performance, and reliability, the V11 Pro drone is ideal for travel, content creation, and outdoor adventures. From wide-open landscapes to detailed close-ups, it transforms your vision into professional quality aerial content. Elevate your creativity, expand your perspective, and experience the freedom of flight with the V11 Pro drone, designed to inspire confidence for pilots everywhere. Number 4. Meet the Specta mini drone with camera 4K, a powerful portable drone designed for adults who want professional quality footage without the hassle. Weighing under 249 g, this compact drone requires no registration in many regions, making it perfect for travel and spontaneous adventures. Capture breathtaking visuals with a 4K camera recording at 30 FPS, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, cinematic shots even in motion. The advanced FPV transmission reaches up to 32,800 feet, giving you an expansive, real-time view and greater freedom to explore wide landscapes with confidence. Flying is effortless thanks to its easy-to-use controls, intelligent flight modes, and stable hovering, ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. With an impressive 31-minute flight time, you can spend more time creating and less time recharging. Designed for convenience, the Specta Mini folds down into a highly portable, travel-friendly size, making it easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're capturing outdoor adventures, travel memories, or creative aerial content, the Specta Mini drone delivers premium performance, reliability, and stunning results in one lightweight package. Number 5. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone is a powerful yet ultra-lightweight drone designed for adults who want professional-level performance without complexity. Weighing under 249 g, it requires no registration in many regions, making it ideal for travel and everyday flying. The advanced 3-axis gimbal paired with a 4K camera 30 FPS delivers smooth, cinematic footage with impressive clarity, even in windy conditions. With an outstanding 96 minutes of total flight time using multiple batteries, you can fly longer and capture more without frequent interruptions. The drone supports up to 6 kilometers transmission, providing a stable, long-range live view for confident exploration. Built-in GPS ensures precise positioning, safer flights, and smart return-to-home features. Creative tools like visual tracking and QuickShots make it easy to capture dynamic videos automatically, whether you're filming travel moments, outdoor adventures, or social media content. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to control, the Potensic Atom is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike who want high performance in a compact design.